Hello friends, today we got Redmi Mi Note 5 Pro. This is the most selling smartphone of this year from the Flipkart and it is exclusively available only on Flipkart. To buy this phone, click on the link given on the description. So let's quickly unbox this phone. So here we got our Note 5 Pro. It is a 64 GB and 4 GB RAM variant in a black color. So have a look at it. This phone comes in a four color variants. One is the rose gold, black, blue, and the gold color. And this one also comes in two storage variants. One is a 4 GB RAM and another is with a 6 GB RAM. And both the variants have same storage capacity of 64 GB. If you're planning to buy this phone, you can get this phone in a 4 GB RAM variant in the price of 14,999. And if you want to buy the 6 GB variant, you can get it in 16,999. Now let's see what you're going to get inside the box. First of all, you will receive the back cover for your phone for your safety purpose, and it is the first time am I giving the back cover for his phone. And the good thing is it gives you the cover as per your phone. If you're ordering the gold color, you'll get the gold color cover. If you're ordering the black color phone, you'll get the black cover. So same with the rose gold and the blue color. After the cover, you will get your phone. This is a power pack phone. This phone comes with a 20 megapixel front camera with a selfie flash. This phone is powered by Qualcomm 636 processor. On the side of this phone, you'll get the SIM tray, and on another side, there's a volume rocker button and the power button. And the top of the phone, you will get the IR blaster to control your TV, AC, or any remote control devices. And on the back side of your phone, you get the dual camera and the fingerprint scanner to fast unlock your phone. Apart from the phone, inside the box, you'll get some user manuals and the USB cable and the charger. And below the USB cable, you'll get the SIM ejector tool as well. This phone comes with a micro USB charger, which doesn't have the USB-C type. So it's the one demerit type, which I felt, but it's fine. And it comes with a charger with 3.5 ampere volt. This phone also supports a fast charging, but you will not get the fast charger with this phone. If you want to charge your device faster, you can buy the Qualcomm fast charger from Amazon or Flipkart. So here is our Note 5 Pro. Now quickly start this phone. By the time it is setting up, just let's look at it, the look of this phone. The look of this phone is pretty cool and not look so cheap kind of phone. It's look bit premium kind of phone at the top and the back side of the phone. The in the bottom, the power charger port is there, and the speaker port is there. Also, the noise reduction microphone port and the one audio jack is also placed there. And it's a bit slimmer, but it's a bit heavy also. But it's not that much heavy if you are planning to using it while lying on bed or something, it's you feel quite heavier, and otherwise it is okay. And I didn't feel any heating issue in this phone. It's quite good phone in the price of 14,999. It's much better. So here it was the quick unboxing of Redmi's Mi Note 5 Pro. If you're planning to buy this phone, you can go to the description and click on the link to buy this phone. Or if you have any doubt or query related to this phone, you can comment below. I'll answer all your queries. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and give the thumbs up. And thanks for watching.